I'm about to head out for my evening, but still haven't applied a fragrance. So tonight, I'm going to go with my Azzaro Wanted Eau de Parfum. This fragrance is comprised of juniper berries, sage, and vetiver, which are combined together to create a fresh, very pleasant, and slightly seductive scent. To use it, I'm simply going to take off the cap and apply it to my neck and my wrists. I like to do a total of 4 squirts, 1 to each side of my neck and 1 to each of my wrists. 1 to each side of my neck for those that come with my intimate space, and 1 to each of my wrists for those that I extend outwards to. And as the neck and wrists are all pulse points, they are naturally warm parts of the body that will allow the scent to open up and develop more. So, and there we go. The scent is now applied. I'm feeling great, looking great, smelling great, and ready to go about my evening. So if you're looking for a unique fragrance that's based on juniper berries and will allow you to have a scent that is fresh, welcoming, and slightly seductive, then pick up the Azzaro Wanted Eau de Parfum for yourself today, and you'll be set.